Hi everyone, welcome back to Oils with Lynn. Today I'm excited to share with you the wonders of one of the most beloved essential oils in the world. That's lavender essential oil. I'm Lynn Gines. I empower families to find affordable, natural solutions for health and home life without the worry of those toxins or expensive drugs with side effects. If you'd like to have immediate answers to your natural solutions for mind, body, and mood, get my free Mom's Guide to Essential Oils ebook. Look in the description. It has essential oil quick guide, a cheat sheet for dilution recommendations, and some of my favorite recipes that your family will want to have on hand every day to be ready for anything that comes your way. Look for the link below. Imagine a single essential oil that can help you sleep better, reduce stress, soothe sunburns, and even calm your baby. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're talking about lavender essential oil. This oil can transform your wellness routine. Lavender essential oil is true powerhouse in the world of natural wellness. The name lavender actually comes from the Latin word lavare, which means to wash. This is fitting because lavender has been cherished for centuries for its smoothing and purifying properties. Pure CPTG lavender essential oil is steam distilled and sourced from the beautiful fields of Bulgaria and the high elevations of France. These are the most indigenous places in the world to grow lavender. The rich soil and climate is perfect for growing lavender. The best growing conditions ensure that you're getting the highest quality oil packed with all the incredible benefits lavender has to offer. Lavender is likely the most used of all essential oils globally, and for good reason. It serves all things calming and is incredibly versatile. When in doubt, use lavender. Let's get into some of the amazing uses of this wonderful oil. First up, lavender is fantastic for insomnia and jet lag. Just a few drops on your pillow in a diffuser or rub some on the back of your neck can help you relax and get a good night's sleep, no matter where you are. My favorite sleep oil blend is Serenity. I love the soothing blend, but what is the number one ingredient? Yep, it's lavender. Feeling stressed or dealing with teeth grinding? Lavender's calming properties can help. Diffuse it in your home or apply a few drops on your wrists or temples to ease tension and stress. Because I'm a teeth grinder, I like to rub lavender behind my ears and down my jawline before going to bed. Lavender oil is also great for soothing sunburns, any kind of burns, scars, and stretch marks. Its healing properties promote skin regeneration and provide relief from discomfort. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and gently apply to the affected area. We will not go on vacation without our lavender. Our family tends to be sensitive to the sun's rays and will burn easily. Lavender has been to the rescue many times to help cool and soothe after sun exposure. Next time you have a burn of any kind, reach for your lavender first. You won't be able to believe how quickly it helps with burns until you experience it firsthand. For those who suffer from allergies or ear pain, lavender can be a lifesaver. Diffuse it or apply it topically behind the ears or the neck to help reduce symptoms. CPTG lavender can also be taken internally. Add CPTG peppermint and lemon for some amazing allergy support. For ear pain support, add tea tree with lavender. This dynamic duo has been so impactful when it comes to helping my kids with ear pain. Even better, essential oils can get to the root of the problem. Bug bites and stings can be really annoying, but lavender oil can help soothe the itch and irritation. Apply a drop directly to the bite or sting for quick relief. Lavender is gentle enough to be used with babies too. It's one of my favorite oils to use on babies. It can help calm fussy babies and soothe diaper rash. Remember to always dilute with a carrier oil before applying it to your little one. Lavender is also beneficial for cuts, blisters, shock, grief, nosebleeds, pink eye, and headaches. It truly is a multi-purpose oil. For headaches, try applying a drop of lavender with peppermint to your temples or wherever your area of discomfort is and gently massage. For nosebleeds, place lavender right over the bridge of your nose. For eye infections, I suggest you head back to that dynamic duo of lavender and tea tree oil. You don't ever want to put an essential oil directly in your eye. That would not feel very good. Rather, make a ring of lavender and then tea tree around your eye. Use it a few times throughout the day. It's amazing how quickly essential oils can start making a difference. These are just a few examples of what having lavender essential oil on hand can do to benefit your family. If you'd like to do an experiment with lavender for mood, try putting lavender in your pocket and take it wherever you go for a day. Whoever is feeling stressed or upset, rub some on their wrists, put them in the hands and let them breathe it in, put it on the back of their necks, and watch the calming effects of what lavender can do about those that you care about. Whether you're using it in a diffuser, applying it topically, or adding it to your bath, CPTG lavender essential oil is a must-have in every home. Thank you for joining me today to learn about some of the incredible uses and benefits of CPTG lavender essential oil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And leave a comment below sharing your favorite way that you use lavender essential oil. Stay well and see you in the next video.